Hello guys, so we bought this one on sale, and this one's a Nido, and this one's an i3 Plus, and this one's pretty cool. We're gonna see the dust as well. Let's start them too, and see how much they pick up. We have to put a barrier there so the Nido doesn't escape. So I'm gonna go get some pillows. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, let's start cleaning them on. Here we go. Here they go. Here they go. Is that one so funky? That door. It's so funky.
So what model is this one?
This one?
Yeah, it's an
i3 Plus.
i3 Plus because it. What makes it plus?
What is so funky when it doesn't have so funky when it says the i3.
Oh, got
it.
it.
So
Okay.
funky when it says the i3 Plus.
Gotcha.
That.
And that's a Nido D5?
Yeah,
Oh, okay, cool.
And I also bought the shark. Well, this one.
Yeah, why don't you show us all your vacuums?
Well,
That one's your newest vacuum, and it has a self-empty bin way over there.
You can just run to go over there, down the hallway.
Oh.
Because you have to go down the hallway and see which one wins.
Oh, you want to do like a challenge? Oh, it doesn't like that. It's blinking red.
Oh, wait. Go down the hallway, please.
Why don't you turn on the hall light?
Oh, okay. Yeah. And there's shark too.
Ah, is that shark a good one or?
Good.
This D-Bot's pretty cool.
This shark.
I mean, not D-Bot, sorry. The Nido's pretty cool.
That's what this one from Uncle Tony, but it doesn't work.
Oh,
Like,
yeah.
I like put the sensor in it. I don't know what it is.
Oh, okay.
Wasn't it like one of those like with those motions we got like we picked up? We're gonna get a working one which will fit in my one of the shirts which has the broken wheel. It's actually a working one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Got it.
Yes, so we're gonna get it. We're gonna. I don't know. We're gonna get it. Oi.
Huh? What do you got over there?
Turn the ears on. Go.
Oh, look at Nido cruising on the rug.
Where's the other one, my girl? Where's the i3 Plus? Oh, i3 Plus. Go in the living room. Let's see how much it picks up. This one needs more suction that he made.
Hmm.
Ooh. It's just Neo's dustbin.
Okay.
Okay. See. It didn't very well.
No?
Except.
Oh, it's got a red light on it.
No, it's on the bin.
Oh.
Let's see. The bin's so tiny.
I know, it is tiny.
Yeah, maybe that's the hour. Because the bin's so tiny.
Well, are you trying to hear it? What it says? I
It's
know,
on
why is
the
it so
bin.
quiet?
It's
so
on the
quiet.
bin. Then it was clean.
Oh, so make sure the bin clicks in.
Oh.
Oh. Caden somehow changed some of the Roombas
Like,
to
we
different
got that.
languages, so we don't know what they're saying. He's got to change it back.
Yeah,
You got to change it back to English.
Roomba. So we can do please charge Roomba. We would
Yeah.
say it nicely.
Yeah.
Like that.
Yup.
Or we can say let's charge Roomba.
Oh.
We say brush Roomba.
Oh, like mean?
Yeah.
Mm.
I think that's
Speaking
it.
Dutch or something. I don't know.
Yeah. It clicked in.
Okay, so now it should work?
It now goes. Oh,
Okay.
why is it blue like that? Why is it blue like that?
I don't know. I guess that's just its
I
thing.
bet it's going so empty. I see
Oh.
those leaves and stuff in the dustbin. Oh, I'm only tornado.
What's that all
That
about?
means it's almost dead.
No way. We
Look.
just started it like 5 minutes ago. Uh-oh. What does that mean?
So,
We probably have to clean it out and stuff. Oh, look at Roomba over there.
maybe that means it needs to be cleaned out.
It might mean that. I'm not sure. We have to look up what the errors mean. Ooh.
The brush.
Hey kids, your Roomba over there
Oh no.
dancing with the cat toy.
What's going on
Okay.
here? What's going on? But that thing is so empty. Did it?
Oliver!
What's so empty then? That woman needs to go so empty.
Alright. See if it goes on. It gets very loud.
Here we go. Get out there. Let me see you. Thank you. Almost dead.
Huh. You sure that's what that means? We haven't looked it up yet on the
It's so blue.
book in the book. Maybe it's something to do with the dustbin or something. No? Oh, make sure it snaps in at the top. No, lift it up again. No. Lift it up. Yes. Just like that. Okay, good.
Still like that.
And it won't go?
Battery life. So it's almost dead.
Alright, we'll charge it again and then we'll do another video. What do you say?
We're in our challenge. Alright, if you want to get
Roomba wants to play with your toys.
another needle like this, which we could buy new, which doesn't have the brush, like hair and like blue coating, like in the brush. You
Okay.
need a new one like this. Little one. So we need. So if you want to do another video in the kitchen, the brown confetti, because you have to do like brown confetti.
Yeah.
So you want to do that tomorrow, the challenge.
Alright, maybe.
Alright, do you want to say bye
Well,
now?
tomorrow is...
Bye.
Oh, yeah, we'll say bye. Because
Bye.
what was yesterday, bud?
I had my budget. So
Yeah, how old are you now?
4.
He's 4. He just turned 4 yesterday. And he
Yeah.
got an i3 Plus with a self-empty bin and a Neato.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll come back
that
and do another
project.
video.
In that blog jet.
Alright, say bye.
Bye. If you want to make another video, subscribe.
Subscribe.
Hey.